All right, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is the Thunder Kitten, ported by Charles Briscoe. And what we're going to do real quick, I've already tuned it to about 14.4, 14.5, something like that. And we're going to run it, do a couple cuts with it. Actually, got a big knot here. I think we'll just do two cuts. We'll do 2 cuts with it. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to upgrade the air filter to one of the A2 Designs filter setups, and then we'll see if it made a difference. Okay, so I am pretty certain that I have every tool needed to do this change out real quick. So, Alex, the guy who, you know, the A2 Designs guy, he sent me a message. He was glad that on the previous video about these things, I waited to give away any of his info on where the stuff could be purchased and things, because he has already done an upgrade, or an update I should say. He's done an update on the setup, supposed to be a little bit nicer and cleaner to install. We're gonna find out right now. All right, so let's talk a little bit while we're doing this. I'm not going to walk you through this step by step because it's easy. But do I think this thing's going to give an increase in power? Probably a little bit, you know, but also probably not very much. It's just my thoughts. Oh, I should just take this off of there. Yeah, I don't care if it gives an increase in power. Of course, if it does, that's going to be a plus. But the reason why anyone should be doing this, they shouldn't have ideas of grandeur in their head about it's going to give you so much more power. It's about air filtration. I have never thought, nor have I said, that these Echoes require more airflow. They do not. Charlie Briscoe is capable of getting 6 horsepower plus out of these things with the stock air filter setup. So what does that tell me? Let's all say it together. Airflow is not what's holding these saws back. Okay, what's holding these saws back from greatness is air filtration. The air filtration on these things absolutely sucks. If you think otherwise, well, good for you. You've got an opinion and you can have it. You know what I mean? Straight up, you can have it. Oh, let's take that off of there. Does that mean you're right just because you have an opinion? Does it? Boy, that does seem like an upgrade. That just goes right in place. So A2 Designs makes 2 different ones, all right? I'm going with the holes. I like the holes. Somebody... He's saying that these Echoes have the same positive air pressure as a Husqvarna 5 Series. He's wrong. He's just wrong. And so that's why I don't mind having the holes on the side of this, because you might see a little bit of a performance increase. But yeah, you'll be able to order whichever you want. If you want a solid one, get a solid one. If you want the holes, get the holes. I like the holes. We're gonna see how it works out, you know? My goodness, that is slick. I love it, I love it, I love it. Have I told you I love it? That is a fantastic little setup. Better filtration. Look at that. The upgrade, or the updated design, I should say, definitely is nicer than before. Before, I had to actually do just a little bit of grinding on some stuff. Now it doesn't seem like I had to do that at all. Unless maybe, yeah, no, that's right. I didn't have to do any grinding. Just goes right on. So it's good. All right, so let's put it in the wood and see how she cuts. All right, we will first check out the tune and see, you know, how that's holding up. We might have to adjust it a little bit. Remember I said I was somewhere around 14.5. All right, so I think that did it. It was really lean. What's that tell us? It tells us it's getting more airflow. So I had to fatten it up a little bit. I just went a half a turn, and that put us about right where we needed to be. So here we go. So what do I think? It feels about the same. You know, it feels like, I mean, the fact that I had to give it more fuel means that it is getting more air. Flat out, you know. If I have to give it more fuel, then of course it is getting more air. And So that's pretty obvious, right? You know, we're cool. So I wasn't running it lean. I mean, maybe a tad lean. We heard just a little bit of popping, I think. But anyways, what do I think about the air filter setup? I think that if you have one of these saws and you want it to last, you need to buy one. His prices, I believe he is charging $65 for the full kit with the air filter and everything mailed to your door. You will not find a better deal than that, brothers and sisters. And if you wanted to buy both, I think that like he has a, like the filter is just adds like an extra $10, I think. And so if you wanted to get both with holes and without holes, then like you only need one filter if it's going on the same saw. You're just wanting to swap out and stuff like that and play around. I think it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It's the best air filter setup that I have seen offered for any of these Echoes, the 4910, the 501, the 590 and stuff. They're really, really hindered from the factory, and it's got really extremely poor filtration. And I've seen a handful of different things for the 590 and for the 4910. This, he just knocked it out of the park. It's brilliant, you know, it's fan-friggin-tastic. We got good air filtration on a saw that desperately needed it. Now, you may have had one of these things for years and you're like, I don't need it. Fine, good for you. You don't need it. Go for it. Keep using your Steel Ultra oil and do your own thing, man. You know what I mean? Just go for it. I don't mind whatsoever. But if you're watching this video, you want to, you know, you want to hear what I have to say about it. I think that this is by far and away the absolute best option that you have, and it's the best option I've ever seen for an aftermarket filtration setup on any saw. I have never seen a better aftermarket filter setup on anything than that right there. It's nice, clean, it looks almost like it was factory, it bolts right on, boom, you saw me do it, it was super easy, and I do believe it probably added about 10% performance gain, which is great. I'll take that, right? Anytime I can get a little bit of extra performance, I'm gonna take it. So, yeah, links are in the, are below in that one section where you put links. So anyways, check out the links to Alex's YouTube channel and his website where you can actually purchase this setup. He's ready to start taking orders. So give him a call or send him an email or something.